Jardín, natural and lovely place. Have you ever seen the most fascinating and lovely place in Colombia? Okay, I show you Jardín, the most spectacular place in Antioquia mountain. But where is Jardín and how to get there? Okay, I will explain you. Jardín is located in the southwest of Antioquia and it is 130 kilometers from Medellin, Colombia's second biggest city, which equates to around a 3 hours drive and Jardín is ubicated over the mountain to 2033 meters above sea level. Jardín is identified by the preserved colonial architecture and vegetation and abundant rice and stream. In 1871, Jardín was derived and perished. In 1882, it was declared a town by Luciano Restrepo, who at the time was the three president of Antioquia state. In 2012, the Colombian government named Jardín a heritage town, Pueblo Patrimonio of Colombia. But what to do here? You should enjoy the most tranquil sighting in the flowery Central Park, while drink a delicious local coffee on one of the many terraces overlooking the park, or you can talk with the local inhabitants. The inhabitants are very kind and attentive. Like this, you can get to the memories of this place. After you can visit the Basilica of Immaculate Conception. It is neo-Gothic style. After this, you can walk in the street, allow you discover the particular architecture of Jardín. I recommend it. After, you should visit one of the many candy stores in a town. One of the best was I knew it was Dulces del Jardín. Here, between arequipes and milk jam and fruit and honey jams, you can find something to sweet the journey. Another of the tourist rise of Jardín in Antioquia, it is nature several paths where can allow you discover a beautiful landscape in the midst of banana, coffee, and fruit tree crops. This place can perfect if you like exotic beer from Colombia. Have you ever gone waterfall before? Here there are several routes when you can visit waterfall and crystal clear rivers. Through of one of these routes you can go to the Garrucha Mirrors. From here from here you can see an impressive landscape over the fields of Jardín and eat local product. If you like adventure, I advise you can return to the Jardín in a colorful box as well as, but you mustn't take this local transportation with flippancy because this bus was handmade and this is a cable car what all people call it garrucha. The garrucha was made in a 1980 for a local inhabitants. Have you ever tasted trucha before? If you want to taste the local gastronomy, the best plan is to visit a truchera to taste a local trout in my case. I ate at Truchera Largeria, where apart from the best trout, they produce panela made for sugar cane and other sweet specialties. For a ride to the Truchera, you could take a mototaxi or you can rent a jet. In this case, you need to have a driver because these vehicles are public transportation. From La Argelia, you can take the path that leads to the Cristo Rey viewpoint. After enjoy the spectacular scenery, you can continue a suspension ride to return to the Jardin Central Park, where you can rest after a spectacular and natural journey in this paradise.